Hello lovely people. In today's video we are going to talk about eyeliners and I'm going to show you how you can do eyeliners in a very easy and quick ways. I hope you find this video useful, and also I had done a special look for you guys, so do watch till end. You can use a pen liner, liquid liner or a gel liner, whatever you're comfortable with, but I'm going to use the pen and the liquid liner. The first look is no eyeliner liner. I'm going to take black eyeshadow on an angular brush and just pressing it gently on the eyelash line from the inner corner to the end of the lash line. This look looks incomplete without a mascara, so adding a mascara to this look will enhance your eyes. Second look is the basic line. I'm using a liquid liner for this and starting from the inner corner, drawing a little thick line till lashes. And also it doesn't include a wing. Third look is the classic winged liner. I'm using a pen liner for creating a perfect shape of a wing liner. After this, I'm going to use the liquid liner for filling up the space. And from the end of lash, I'll create a line towards the crease of the eye, which will give a perfect wing. Fourth look is the color pop. The color pop looks starts with the wing liner only, and with using a popping color, I'll apply it on my eyelid and I am lining over the liner but not as thick as the liner. Next one is the Felon Flip. I'm doing the wing liner with the pen liner, creating a wing with a pen, and after I complete it, once my shape has completed, I'm filling up with the liquid liner. But this time I'm going to extend the inner corner line with a sharp point. And applying a kajal on lower lash line and taking the black eyeshadow on angular brush, pressing it over gently so that it will give a very nice and complete look to the eye. Next is the double wing liner for the inner. It is the great look if you want to create the illusion of larger eyes. So, the classic winged liner is the base of these looks. Completing the winged liner on the upper eye, I am adding the liquid liner on the lower lash line, joining the wing liner to the inner corner. But in inner corner, I'm going to create parallel lines to the point of the inner corner. And using this white kajal between these two black lines from the inner corner to the waterline, it will provide a very enhanced look and your eyes will look bigger and larger. Next look is the double wing liner for the outer. To achieve this look, we are going to do the same procedure of liner that we had done in earlier looks, using a pen liner to create a wing, and also I'm going to create a line parallel to the wing. Using the liquid liner, I am filling up the space of the liner, and it will provide a double wing liner in the outer side. Last one is the graphic eyeliner, the look which I had talked about in the starting. Again, it starts with the winged liner, taking the black eyeshadow on angular brush, creating a crease and joining it towards the wing liner, and applying liner on the half of the lower lash line. And here's the complete look. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like my video, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me which eyeliner look you like the most. And this much for today. See you next time. Bye bye.